I'm in Serbia's second biggest city, about to meet two young residents for a walking tour. If you'd like to get the freshest content from the Balkans and be here before anybody else does, be sure to subscribe. And now I present to you Novi Sad. You might walk right by this place thinking it's where you exchange money, but actually Index is a Novi Sad staple. It's like the every person meal. A hodgepodge sandwich that's cheap and delicious. Bread's really nice and crispy. It's fresh, hot, and it's easy on the wallet. And this is kind of unique to Novi Sad. What's your favorite place in town? Each one of you.
I mean, the city center, definitely. It is,
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah, like I told you, it's different than other cities, so everything here is, special. I mean, you are feeling like you are safe, and I think that that's the most great thing about some cities, that you are safe.
Yeah.
I mean, Serbia in general is a really safe country. So, I mean, here, it's a lot of young people, a lot of students here, so that's great.
And everything is slow.
And everything is slow, yeah. So you're not in a hurry, I mean, you don't have to worry about anything because whatever you want, wherever you need to go, I mean, everything is close, everything is near to you, so you don't have to worry about anything.
That sounds great.
Everyone, when they're sitting here, they just like watching you when you like going.
Yeah,
here.
like you're a
when
model,
you're
you
walking.
feel like you're like
Yeah,
a model, and then
model,
you're going and then watching it. Like, look what did you wear.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
What's your model walk like?
I mean, it's just a regular walk.
Yeah.
Now you gotta lift your heart up a little bit, roll your
Yeah.
shoulders back,
Yeah, the shoulders back and then
put a little sway in your hips a little bit.
slow motion, like,
What's your favorite part of living in the city?
In the city,
In Novi Sad?
it has a lot of young people, and in happy times over here when there has no COVID, Novi Sad was like full. Of parties and going out or something like that every night.
What do you think next spring will be like?
I think it will get better. Yeah, I think and that slowly everything will be normal.
And we are hoping that it will be good because, we are young people, we finish our master degrees and then, we just need to work somewhere. And that was the biggest problem in the first part of the year because we were like, sitting at home? I mean, you finish your university, you finish with your exams and everything and then no job now. It's normal, like it's the life, things come, normal, like it's supposed to be and now everything is fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
well said. How do people here feel about Americans?
We are really happy when people from other continents, from other countries are coming here, really. Because we are so welcoming them
Yeah.
and,
We're not looking for
we're not
people
looking
from
for differences.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't see the differences between people and I think that's great.
It's not important to us which nation are they.
Especially between the young people.
a local dessert. Never had anything like it before. How do I compare it? It's like a really good jelly donut combined with matcha from Japan. Dough surrounding fresh fruit, in this case cherries, with a vanilla cream drizzled on top. And it is divine.
Ta-da-da-dam!
And that's it for Novi Sad. For more fresh content from the Balkans, make sure to subscribe and then imbibe. Thanks for watching. I'm Jonathan Legg.